Section 4, day 5.
Section 4, day 5.
It is it looks like a 12-kilometer speed section.
With flowers.
With caution written all over.
Caution and flowers. See the flowers behind there?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
We need to get out of the way because someone else might happen again to another driver.
Race car. You turned all the way over?
We did.
Yeah, I was trying to say it was pinned between the roll cage and the door.
The car's hurt. It's fixed. It's not fixable. It's not going forward. It's hurt bad. Yeah. Everybody's okay. But I'll give you the town where we're at. What town are we at, Bob?
I have no idea. You were standing here when we came through? What did it look like? What did it look like? Crazy?
Yeah, crazy.
It looked real crazy, huh? It was crazy. It was real crazy.
We almost killed him, he said.
Oh, jeez. That's terrible.
Now we are laughing, but
Yeah.
It wasn't that funny.
You dived that way. We went right over top of you almost, huh?
Were we in the air?
yeah,
In the air?
little you flow like one girl or something like that. That's why we will leave.
Oh man.
Also, we'll take a picture of this curve coming in.
But the thing that I don't understand is you race, this is day 5, the Mexican 7-day race.
We started 21st out of 106 cars.
Right. But, you know, you have a teammate, Gary Jones.
I know.
And he's raced every mile you raced. And all the turns in Mexico.
We're halfway.
And all the turns in Mexico, you both end up on the same turn.
Must have been providential. Probably had nothing to do with the drivers.
We have to get Gary up here and explain to him what he thought when he saw you walk out of the
It
bushes.
was a sympathy crash.
congratulations to my friends, the Dukes of Hazzard, the biggest jump from the Carrera Panamericana. Woohoo! Off-road, baby!